Hey,
Guess where we're at? Our favorite store.
we're at Wal Mart.
And today we're going to look at what Wal Mart has available for each of us as far as RV supplies. It's got a lot of stuff.
It's got a lot of stuff, and you know, sometimes you don't have access to that small mom and pop store that I would prefer to shop at. Sometimes you're camping in Walmart parking lot and you want to go say thanks and buy a few things.
Yeah.
So here we are.
Or it's the only option.
It's the only
around.
option, right?
Most Walmarts have an RV section. We're going to shop today in the RV section and show you some of the must-haves you as a new RV owner should consider.
Let's go shopping. Got to get rid of this thing so you can hear me. So first on our list, it's a fashion accessory. First on our list is the drinking water hose, and we particularly like this one or one similar to this because it collapses down small, and so it takes up very little space in your under storage in your RV. And you want to use a drinking water hose when you're filling up your water, not another one that's just used taking care of your black tank. You want a dedicated drinking water hose. And so this one you can find at Walmart. It's about $25, and I would highly recommend it.
Another must-have is a water pressure regulator. They come in two different kinds. This one has a gauge on it so you can see. Some of them actually come with an adjustment so you can turn it up or down. This one I don't see that it does. I would recommend getting the one that has the adjustment. I don't know if Walmart sells that one. Or there's the simple one that just connects to the hose outlet and you hook your hose onto this. And these are typically rated to 40 PSI, which is about where you want your pressure for your RV anyway. If you get higher than that, you run the risk of having a leak. So, water pressure regulator, must have day one.
This patio mat is one of my faves. It goes down on the ground, of course, a patio mat. Where else would it go? So you put it in front of your steps. It's 9 by 12. It keeps a lot of the dirt and grime out of your camper. It just makes it so much better. But if you want to add another, put this down, then you put your mat down to wipe your feet on before you come in. It will make a huge amount of difference. Now, you still are going to have to sweep your camper multiple times a day in order to keep it clean, but this is really going to help.
Next item we want to share with you is a water filter. This is really an important thing, and it's something that you put just as at the entry point of your filling station on your RV, and then you connect your hose to this. This comes in a 2-pack, and I think this one is $26, $18 for a single pack, so the 2-pack's a good deal. What I like about this is it comes with the small hose attachment that it has a spring on it, so it's not forcing the hose down too hard. This is a great option for you and something that I think is a must-have for any RV, so new RVers, add this to your list. Keeps your drinking water pure and safe.
Now, I don't know that this is a must-have, but it's really convenient. It is collapsible. This utility container, it has a zip lid, and so you can put it outside your camper and to put, I don't know, shoes, balls, toys, different things, or you can put a big garbage bag in it and have it be part of the garbage that you haul off every night. So yeah, it's a great thing to have. Maybe not a must-have, but very convenient.
Another quick and simple and inexpensive item that's really great for everybody is this hose splitter. You can take one spigot and turn it into two. You can have one going into your RV, another one that you might have for a hose outside your RV, for washing the dog, hosing the kids off. These are great to have. This one is like $4. Yep, $3.97 here at Walmart.
Lynx leveling blocks. These are exactly what we use, and I think we have 4 of these cases. When we got our new RV, I said to Norm, well, let's not bring all of those with us. We have automatic leveling now. He said, no, Kim, we need to bring those with us because you just never know. And I'm here to tell you, we have used them a lot, even with our automatic leveling system, because sometimes you just need to raise one size up a little bit more, or it's just not leveling like you think it should. You're just in a very uneven terrain. Lynx leveling blocks are huge for us. Every newbie RVer needs to have at least a couple of packs of these. These are $30 a pack and well worth your investment.
One thing that is a must for every RVer is a sewer hose. Now, if you're like us, our RV came with the sewer hose, but it really was just something to throw in the garbage. It was not good for anything. This here, the RhinoFlex, is a great product. It comes in different lengths. This is a 20 foot. They also have a 15-foot hose. The 15-foot is good just for if you think you're going to be close enough to the hookup. But I also like that it comes with this elbow. It's a clear elbow. You can see what's going on when it gets cleared out when you're flushing. But the bigger package, it comes with 2 hoses, so if you need extra length, if you're not close, and sometimes they don't put the connections in a convenient spot, this one you can hook 2 hoses together, and so this might be something to consider as well. 20 feet versus 15 feet, everybody needs one. The 20 foot is $42.97, the 15 foot is $29.97. It's an absolute must, even if you got one for free from the RV dealer. All right, so kind of that goes along with this dirty business of the septic tank is keeping your septic tank from smelling. And they make all sorts of chemical products. They're chemicals, but they do the trick. We like to use this particular one, and usually either the blue, well, actually the blue or the purple or the green, they have different fragrances. They come in these little tablets, kind of like a laundry tablet or a dishwasher tablet. You drop one down into the toilet and it's good until you need to, typically need to flush your tank the next time. This makes a big difference in any odors that you might have. Takes them away. Great product. And these are about $10 for a package of 10. Package of 10 for $10, about $1 a piece. It lasts a long time.
So have you ever been out in the wilderness boondocking and you want to go for a walk all on your own? That would be me, and Norm would be, but are you sure nobody's going to get you while you're out there on your own? And so we've been talking about getting me some pepper spray so that I can go for a walk. If he can't go with me or doesn't want to go with me or whatever we've talked about getting me some pepper spray. You need to be aware that pepper spray, the laws are different from state to state. We're in Idaho right now at a Wal Mart, and they have pepper spray and pepper gel. And this is something that I think we're going to put in our cart. We got to get a salesperson over here in order to get it off the rack. I hope I never need it, but will probably just be something, just a little bit of peace of mind, mostly for Norm, a little bit for me, just knowing that I would be okay off walking on my own.
Another absolute must-have for any RV are command hooks and command strips, and they have a wide assortment that you can choose from. There's hooks that are great for putting coats or towels or hats, or these Velcro strips that are great for hanging pictures or anything you want to hang to a wall. So many uses for these command strips and hooks. You're going to want a wide variety.
Who doesn't love collapsible items? I have collapsible strainers, just all sorts of collapsible stuff. This one in particular is pretty cool. See if I can do it. It's really pretty heavy duty compared to some of the things that I have. I have collapsible laundry baskets, and you could use this. It'd be a pretty small laundry basket. But I mean, it's nice and heavy duty. You can use it to haul things around your campsite, or put in the back of your truck, or put somewhere in your rig. And if you just want to use it for a moment, then you can squish it back down and put it in your underneath storage, and you're ready to go. Storage in your RV is at an absolute premium. I have found these hangers to work really, really well. We don't use a lot of hanging space. Norm and I share one closet for our hanging things, and these just pack really close together, and you can get a lot of clothes in a really small space. So what's camping without a camping chair? You've got to have a camping chair to sit around the campfire and just enjoy your day, or sit out underneath your awning and have some lunch in the great outdoors. Wal Mart has all sorts of options for you, from $5.99, I think goes all the way up to maybe $39.99, different ones for you to have. Choose what fits best for your needs.
Well, that's going to kind of wrap it up from here at Walmart on our shopping tour tonight.
Yep, and you have to know that these are not necessarily the biggest, most important things that you have for your RV, but they're readily accessible at Walmart.
Yeah, these are just some things we found on the shelf as we are strolling through the Walmart here in Mountain Home, Idaho. Your Walmart might be a little different, but the point is there are things that every new RVer needs, and you can get a lot of those right at your local Walmart. Another place, and we'll put links in the description below, but if you don't want to have to go out and shop during this pandemic, you might try Amazon. We've got links to most of these same items in our Amazon store, and to be honest, we get a little bit of commission from that. It helps our channel grow, but it doesn't cost you anything more. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. It really makes a difference for us. And if you haven't subscribed yet, we'd invite you to... Yeah, why not? We'd invite you to do that. And for those of you that have subscribed, thanks for coming back and watching. We so appreciate it. We're going to catch you guys in the next video.